Today we're checking out RCS's Cutlass Pro Series gas grills. We'll begin under the hood. The grids are made of solid 9mm stainless steel rods, which provides greater searing area and longevity. For greater heat control, this grill comes with 3 heat zone separators, and above each burner it has stainless steel flame tamers. The 3 burners are impressive cast stainless steel H-style burners rated for 18,000 BTUs each. The top portion of the grill contains a removable warming rack and 2 interior work lights to enhance after-hour grilling. All Cutlass Pro Series grills come with a full rotisserie kit, including a stainless steel removable motor, a rear stainless and ceramic infrared burner, and heavy-duty stainless rod and forks. On the outside of the grill, there's a built-in custom hood thermometer and stylish push-to-turn knobs that simplify burner ignition. This grill comes with a full-width stainless drip tray and cool blue LED knob lights for better twilight temperature control. Hope you enjoyed our overview today of RCS's Cutlass Pro Series gas grills. Thank you for watching.